I'll have a German book. It's called the Deep Sky Atlas, which basically is a book only consisting of maps of the night sky. But this one is really helpful if you sit next to your telescope, because it's very detailed maps. It's very good. You can just go, okay, which area am I looking through? You can have a look in that book. It'll show you what you're actually seeing there. It'll show you nice targets. That's really a good book. It's written by Michael Feiler and Philip Nowak, two German authors and astronomers. They're really good guys. Second place, in my personal opinion, is First Light and Beyond by D.A. Jenkins. It's a great scope book, especially for the beginners, because it'll show you not only what you can see with expensive equipment. This book is also explaining what you actually see with the equipment you have. So basically, because for our beginners, it's always hard to look through a scope, see a nebula, just slightly tiny fuzzy nebula in the scope, and then they think, well, it doesn't look like in the media. So this book really describes that you can be very happy with what you have seen already and what to expect from a certain setup. It's really a good book. And the best book, and I always have it next to me, is really the 100 Best Astrophotography Targets by Ruben Kier. Something I can recommend, and I saw many astrophotographers recommending this already. It's a great book. It has for every month of the year, it has some certain targets that you can check out in the book. You can see how was the image taken, some explanation to the target. So that's really an amazing book, especially as astrophotographer, when you are looking like, I have no idea what to shoot today. I want to shoot this and that and that. And then you take a look in that book, and then you can just see, okay, how can I frame the target best and which target is best today? And that's really an amazing book. And it's recommended by countless number of people. Like if you see Trevor from Astro Backyard, for example, as one of the really big players in the social media astrophotography scene, even he's recommending this book, and I trust in him. He's still reading it to see and find targets to shoot. So that's really a good book that you keep for life. So I have it, I don't know how many years now, and I'm looking it up when it's rainy, like today, rainy, windy. I'm looking into it and already planning the next targets that I want to shoot. So that's a really good book.